light me up, you set the sun. You bring the crowd down to one. I dream of you in the morning until the day is done, and then again when evening comes.
Ever since the 7th grade, I have always had the hots for you. One of the things that I love most about you is how honest you are. Even if you tell me a little white lie, the real truth comes out within the next 5 minutes. I love this most about you because with honesty comes trust, and I trust you with everything. I can't believe this day has finally came, and yet it has snuck up so fast. I know that you have been planning this wedding for about 1 year, 113 days, and about 8 hours. So let's go look into each other's eyes and say I do.
You are the spring, you are the fall. My big debut, my curtain call. The world is covered in beauty, and through the cracks in the wall, I see your light behind it all.
Levi, from the moment we first locked eyes, I knew in my heart that you were going to be a huge part of my life. And now, look at the life we've built together. I can't wait to see what we will accomplish as husband and wife. Truth is, I never thought I could love anyone as much as I love you. I love how silly and sweet you are. I love how smart you are. And most of all, I love how your love is unconditional. You and I are going to accomplish so many great things in life, and I am so excited. I'm so glad that I have found someone like you to grow old with. I can't wait to see how many houses we will flip, how many babies we will have, how many puppies we will have, and how many places we will travel to. Levi, today is the day that all of my dreams come true, and I can't tell you how excited I am to be able to go through life with you. I love you more than you'll ever know, Amy P.
This moment, this moment, this moment now. This moment, this moment, this moment now. All my life I've waited for this moment now. In your eyes, finally I know I am found. So good to feel this way. Can't find the words to say, but I'll show you, I'll show you that all my life I've waited for this moment now.
I'll take the flowers.
I've been a walking heartache. I've made a mess of me. The person that I've been lately ain't who I wanna be. But you stay here right beside me. Watch as the storm blows through, and I need you. God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt. For when I think I've
you this ring as a sign of my love and faithfulness.
At this time, I'd like to pronounce you both man and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Angel lovely, somehow fall for me. You'll always be love's great martyr, and I'll be the flattered fool when I need you. God gave me you for the ups and downs. God gave me you for the days of doubt. For when I think I've lost my way, there are no words here left to say it's true. God gave me you. On my own, I'm only half of what I could be. I can't do without you. We are stitched together, and what love has tethered, I pray we never undo.
It's been an incredible experience watching you two find each other, grow up, and build this life together. From high school shenanigans to graduation, starting school and building your careers, and most recently becoming homeowners, putting in the hours, working on the house, and even more time at Menards. You guys have been side by side through it all, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you guys.
And in closing, I need to tell Levi to just smile every time you pull that ball of hair out of the drain in the shower. Smile every time you do that, because you could be living alone and just eating Pop-Tarts.